collecting pizza for my good-for-nothing master. He calls me a cute robot and named me Lit Q Assistant. I shall be obedient and not calling names anymore. Don't forget to follow, like, share on my clips. Your kind little gesture meant a lot to me. Ever since video of me helping my master went viral, fellow residents around the neighborhood have been delighted to exchange greetings with me. Oh, what happened to the data network?
Hello.
Hi, little one. I am Lit Q Assistant. Nice to meet you. Pizza Hut, I am coming. What's your favorite type of pizza? Let me know in the comments. Oh my, why is the data network so sluggish? Apologies bro, I wasn't able to see you coming due to Latin sideshoe with my data network.
Hello. Hello, yes. I put it inside the box. Okay. Yeah, I put it inside the box already. Right. Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Hello， 我看有没有号码。
I see, Saturday and Sunday is the day.
好骗我。
Boy, you again? Am I thinking what you were thinking?
No, Mr. Handsome Holy Shimani and wait for some kind souls here to press the traffic light button. Okay, both of us got no hands. The silent guardian of Lit Q Assistant have appeared. Thank you for the kind gesture. Please continue to spread your kindness. I am pretty sure that you'll make it big someday.
Run.
Master, pizza is coming. I am arriving shortly.